this tutorial, I am showing how to fix Spotify keeps stopping problem of Android. So let's get started. Uninstall the Spotify app. After that, open your Play Store. Search for Spotify. Now install the latest version of Spotify app. Once the installation is completed, open the application. Now log into your account. This time I hope your problem will be no longer available. Method number 2. Go to the settings of your phone. Scroll down and find out apps and notifications or applications. Tap on apps. Search for Spotify. Tap on it. Tap on Push Stop, then tap OK. Tap on Storage. Clear the cache and clear the data. Tap OK. After that, move back to the home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, open your Spotify app. Now log into your account. I hope your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching.